Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Choice and Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install UnRaid on ESXi, so you can follow me step by step. So first we'll need to create a bootable UnRaid USB. So for that you can go on unraid.net. I'll put the links in the description and download USB creator. Open the USB creator and select whichever UnRaid version you want and the USB drive and click write. I'll skip this set and come back when it's finished. So once it's done, click close. Now go on the Plop website and to download Plop ESXi ISO. So for that, click on this one, select download the ISO for you, open it, then you have to extract it, extract again, and we'll get this folder. So in this folder you need two files. One is the Plop ESXi64 and the next one is the boot x64.efi file. This file you're gonna upload it in your ESXi data store so you can boot from it. So copy this file and this file and go on your USB UnRaid USB just created. You have to paste this file over here. There's the file. So that's it for creating a bootable UnRaid USB. So now let's go on the ESXi and create a UnRaid VM over there. So I'm on my ESXi web page now. So click on create a register VM, select create a new virtual machine. Next, name your virtual machine whatever you want. I'm gonna name it UnRaid. Compatibility, keep it as default. Guest OS family, select Linux. For guest OS version, select Ubuntu Linux 64-bit. Next, select the data store you want. Next, so here it depends on what you want, how many CPU you want to allocate to the VM. I'm just going to do 2. Memory depends how much you want to allocate this. I'm just going to give 8 GB. And for hard disk, I'm going to select thin provisions. Thin provision is only consumes whatever is needed by the VM. I'm going to give 2 GB, that's more than enough for UnRaid OS. Next thing, so this thing is very important step, setting up USB controller. So please select whatever you got on your host. If it's 2.0 or 3.1, make sure you select this correct. So I have plugged my USB in 2.0 port, so I'm going to select USB 2.0. Next is the ISO. Select the data ISO file. It's going to ask you to select the ISO file. So that's the file which I uploaded from the file extract from the Plop ESXi. Now select this one. Next thing is you have to also pass through the USB drive to the VM. For that, add other device. Select USB device and it should come up under here with the USB drive. I'm using SanDisk Ultra Fit. So yeah, looks all good. So click next and finish. And let's put the UnRaid VM. Hopefully everything works fine. is good. It has found out to UnRaid OS. It's booting from the UnRaid OS now. There you go, it's loading all the files. It's done. That's good. Let's try to log into the UnRaid web page. So that's gonna be 192.168.0.136. There you go. It's all working.